Hey everyone, it's Daniel Moore. I just wanted to remind you to sign up for the online Pickleball Masterclass while you still have time. One of the reasons you might not have signed up yet is that you wonder, is this course really worth the cost? And the answer is absolutely yes. I'm sure when you bought your pickleball paddle, you didn't think twice about spending $120, $150 on a nice paddle. And that's the same with the online course. You're getting more than what you're spending because you're going to learn a lot of skills and techniques in this class that you're not going to learn anywhere else. If you're really serious about improving your pickleball skills, learning the techniques and strategies is essential and is what's going to separate you from your peers. Our online pickleball course is actually one of the most inexpensive ways to learn those techniques and strategies. And the best part is that you can watch it over and over again until it becomes a permanent part of your game. And if you're on the fence, we'll eliminate all the risk for you. Just sign up for the course today, and if you don't think the training helps improve your game and take it to the next level, just send us an email and we'll be happy to refund your money. So just click the link below and all the training will be at your fingertips. I look forward to seeing you on the inside of the course.